After an intense workout, your muscles crave recovery to repair and rebuild properly. A good yoga and stretching routine can ease soreness and improve flexibility naturally. These post-workout stretches increase blood flow and reduce stiffness in every joint. This is the perfect way to cool down, calm your mind, and realign your breathing rhythm. In just a few minutes, you will feel lighter, relaxed, and ready for your next training day. Every movement here is designed to release tension and restore body balance smoothly. No matter your fitness level, these stretches can help your body heal and perform better. Consistency and recovery is just as important as the workout itself for long-term progress. Like and subscribe to stay updated with more fitness and recovery sessions every week. Now roll out your mat, take a deep breath, and let us begin this soothing recovery flow. 1. Start with deep breathing. Begin your recovery with controlled deep breathing to calm your body and mind. Inhale deeply through your nose and exhale slowly to release all tension from muscles. This technique helps restore oxygen flow and prepares you for better stretching form. Hold each breath for a few seconds before releasing to promote relaxation and focus. Breathing also activates your parasympathetic nervous system for deep muscle repair. It is the foundation of every good yoga routine and keeps your movements controlled. Spend about 2 minutes just focusing on steady rhythmic breathing before moving. 2. Gentle neck and shoulder rolls. After breathing, start with slow, gentle neck rolls to ease stiffness and release strain. Rotate your head in circular motions and let your shoulders drop naturally downward. These rolls improve blood circulation and relieve tension caused by upper body workouts. Avoid rushing through the movement and keep your breathing synchronized and slow. Roll your shoulders backward and forward to open your chest and improve flexibility. This move targets commonly tight areas like traps and deltoids after lifting weights. Perform at least 5 rotations on each side, focusing on slow, mindful movement. 3. Cat-cow stretch. For spine flexibility, move onto all fours and begin the cat-cow stretch to lengthen your spine beautifully. Inhale as you arch your back downward, lifting your head and tailbone toward the ceiling. Exhale as you round your spine, pushing the floor away and tucking in your chin gently. This yoga pose is ideal for releasing lower back tension after intense leg workouts. It increases spinal mobility and helps align your back muscles for proper recovery. Alternate between cat and cow motions for about a minute in smooth, controlled rhythm. Remember to move with your breath for a meditative flowing experience each time. 4. Forward fold to stretch hamstrings. From a standing position, gently bend forward, allowing your head to hang freely downward. Keep your knees slightly bent if your hamstrings feel tight and avoid any sudden movement. Let gravity pull your torso down naturally as your spine decompresses and tension releases. This stretch is excellent for runners and those who perform heavy lower body exercises. Hold the position for 20 to 30 seconds, breathing deeply to relax the muscles fully. You can gently sway side to side to deepen the stretch and improve blood circulation. Over time, this pose enhances flexibility and reduces stiffness in your entire posterior chain. 5. Downward dog for full body relief. Transition smoothly into the downward-facing dog pose, pressing your palms into the mat. Lift your hips upward, forming an inverted V shape, while keeping your spine long and straight. This classic yoga position stretches your calves, hamstrings, and shoulders simultaneously. Push your heels gently toward the ground, but do not force them if flexibility is limited. Keep your head relaxed between your arms and engage your core for proper body balance. It helps in improving posture and relieving pressure from your lower back effectively. Hold this position for about 30 seconds while maintaining slow, rhythmic breathing. 6. Seated twist for detox and flexibility. Sit on the mat with your legs extended and bend one knee, crossing it over the other leg. Place the opposite elbow on the outside of the bent knee to support the twisting motion. Gently twist your torso while keeping your spine tall and your shoulders relaxed evenly. This pose massages your internal organs, aiding digestion and detoxification after training. It also improves spinal mobility and strengthens your back muscles through controlled tension. Hold the twist for about 30 seconds on each side, breathing deeply for full effect. Avoid jerky motions and focus on the sensation of elongation and release in your back. This stretch is wonderful for easing post-workout stiffness, especially around the waist. It promotes better circulation and supports the body's natural recovery process easily. Always come out of the twist slowly to protect your spine and maintain balance gracefully. 7. Child's pose for relaxation. From a kneeling position, extend your arms forward and rest your forehead on the floor gently. This restorative pose helps calm your mind while stretching the back, shoulders, and hips. Breathe deeply and allow your body weight to sink fully into the mat with each exhale. It provides an excellent release after strength training or high-intensity interval workouts. Hold the position for 1 minute, focusing on long, deep, calming breaths through your nose. Child's pose helps lower heart rate and activates the body's recovery and relaxation system. You can widen your knees slightly for a deeper stretch around the hips and lower back. This position restores physical balance and emotional calmness after intense physical effort. Use this pose as a resting break between other yoga stretches to maintain energy flow. End by walking your hands back and slowly rising to a comfortable seated position again. 8. Hip opener stretch. Lie on your back and cross one ankle over the opposite knee, forming a figure 4 shape. Hold behind your thigh and gently pull the leg toward your chest while breathing deeply. This stretch targets tight hip flexors and glutes, which often get sore from workouts. It helps in improving mobility for squats, running, and lower body exercises significantly. Hold for about 30 seconds per side, keeping your shoulders relaxed on the mat. Feel the stretch in your outer thighs and lower back as your muscles start to release. This pose prevents stiffness and enhances flexibility around your pelvic region greatly. Over time, consistent hip stretches can also reduce lower back pain and tension effectively. Remember to keep your breathing smooth to allow the muscles to relax fully and safely. Release the stretch slowly and switch sides to balance both hips equally before moving. 9. Cobra pose for chest and core recovery. Lie face down on the mat and place your palms under your shoulders with elbows close in. Inhale deeply and lift your chest upward, keeping your hips pressed gently into the floor. This pose stretches the abdomen, chest, and spine, promoting core flexibility and strength. It is particularly helpful for countering the rounding effect caused by sitting or lifting. Avoid locking your elbows and engage your core to support your lower back during the pose. Hold for 20 seconds, breathing slowly through your nose to deepen the chest expansion. The Cobra pose enhances blood circulation to your spine and promotes proper posture. It also helps relieve stress and boosts mood through its energizing yet calm stretch. Release gently and lower yourself down to the mat, exhaling slowly through your mouth. Repeat this movement 2 to 3 times to maximize recovery and spine flexibility. 10. Final relaxation, Savasana. End your routine by lying flat on your back with arms relaxed beside your body peacefully. Close your eyes and focus entirely on your breath, letting go of all physical sensations. This final rest pose allows your muscles to absorb the benefits of every stretch performed. It slows the heart rate, stabilizes breathing, and promotes overall body recovery naturally. Stay still for at least 2 minutes, focusing on inner calm and complete relaxation. Savasana helps your body transition from workout mode to rest and restoration mode easily. Mentally, thank yourself for showing up and taking care of your physical and mental health. This mindful ending improves sleep quality and boosts energy for your next workout session. It reminds you that recovery is as important as the workout itself for long-term growth. Slowly rise back to sitting when ready with a peaceful mind and a rejuvenated body. You have completed the post-workout yoga stretch routine, and your body thanks you deeply. That gentle flow has released built-up tension and supported muscle recovery from within. Each pose helps your body heal faster while keeping your joints mobile and pain-free. Remember, recovery days are not rest days. They are part of building lasting strength. Make this stretching routine a habit after every workout for optimal results and energy. Like and subscribe for more effective routines that strengthen both body and mind. Comment below and share how your body feels after finishing this recovery yoga session. Keep listening to your body because flexibility and healing come through consistency. Thank you for watching and taking time to care for yourself and your body's well-being. Stay strong, stay mindful, and keep flowing toward your healthiest, balanced self.